Do you ever wonder who the masterminds behind the top businesses and companies are, both in Nigeria and around the globe? You might be surprised to learn that some of the most prominent and influential enterprises are actually owned by Igbo billionaires and business moguls. From the expansive airpiece to the iconic Daily Sun newspapers, from Innoson Motors to the powerful Chrome Group and EEDC, these giants of industry are leading the charge in transforming Nigeria's economic landscape. Are you curious about who these top Igbo billionaires are and how they are shaping the business world? Dive into today's video to uncover the incredible stories of 11 top Igbo billionaires who are not just participating in but revolutionizing Nigeria's business sector. Don't miss out. Watch till the end to see how these visionaries are elevating their enterprises and making waves across the globe. This is Ebonyi People TV, where we bring you closer to the success stories of Nigeria's 11 top Igbo billionaires. Mind you, we will be listing them in no particular order. Cosmos Maduka, born December 24, 1958, is a renowned Nigerian businessman and philanthropist, best known as the founder, president, and chairman of the Chrome Group. In 2015, Maduka was featured on Forbes Africa TV series Worst Day with Peace Hyde and was estimated to have a net worth of $500 million. Despite his success, he faced a significant setback when he was reportedly swindled out of 21 billion naira by Ifeanyi Ubah of Capital Oil and Gas in a business transaction. He has also appeared in a CNN Marketplace Africa interview with Zana Asha. Maduka hails from Nnewi, Anambra State, and is an Igbo Christian. He was born to Mr. Peter and Mrs. Rose Maduka in the city of Jos. His entrepreneurial journey began at the age of 6, just 2 years after his father passed away. Dropping out of primary school, he started hawking akara, a popular Nigerian food made from beans, to support his mother. At the age of 17, after being wrongly dismissed by his uncle with a sum of 200 naira, he co-founded a spare parts company called Dave with his friend Dave. Although this venture failed, undeterred, Maduka founded Chrome Motors in 1977 with just 300 naira, focusing on automobile spare parts sales. The company name combines his first name Cosmos and his wife's name Charity, whom he married at age 21. His business breakthrough came in 1982 when the Nigerian government granted import licenses to 10 motor companies, including Chrome. Today, the Chrome Group is a conglomerate worth $500 million, with subsidiaries in manufacturing, ICT, petrochemicals, auto care and components, automobile sales and services, agriculture and agro-allied sectors. Chrome Motors is a leading distributor of luxury car brands, including Range Rover, Ford, and Jaguar. In 2015, Chrome Motors became the sole distributor of BMW in Nigeria and the first company to build an assembly plant for the Ford Ranger in Nigeria. It also won the Auto Brand of the Year at the Marketing World Awards in Ghana. In 2016, Anambra State approved 5,000 hectares of land for Chrome farms to cultivate rice, a project expected to generate 3,000 jobs. The Chrome Group is recognized as one of the top 50 brands in Nigeria by Top 50 Brands Nigeria. Maduka attributes his success to his affiliation with the Japanese, from whom he learned the values of commitment, humility, precision, and hard work. He plans to acknowledge his influence in his autobiography. Maduka sits on the boards of several reputable companies and organizations. He served as the director of Access Bank PLC, one of Nigeria's leading banks, for 12 years, from 2000 to 2012. At number 2 on our list is Orji Uzor Kalu, a prominent Nigerian entrepreneur, politician, and former governor of Abia State. He is the mastermind behind Slok Holding, a conglomerate with diverse interests in logistics, banking, oil trading, manufacturing, and media. Kalu's entrepreneurial journey kicked off at a young age when he borrowed $35 from his mother to start trading commodities like palm oil, rice, and sugar. He quickly expanded into transportation and furniture production, showcasing his sharp business instinct and drive. In the early 1980s, Kalu's fortunes soared after securing lucrative contracts from Nigeria's military government to import and supply arms and ammunition. His success in this venture solidified his position as a savvy businessman. Not one to stop at business, Kalu ventured into politics and served as the governor of Abia State in Nigeria's southeast. During his tenure, he initiated various development projects aimed at improving infrastructure and the lives of the state's residents. On the personal front, Kalu married Mrs. Ijoma Ada in December 1989 and they have 4 children together. While Forbes once estimated his net worth at $3.2 billion, fluctuations in the oil and real estate markets have impacted his wealth, leading to a decrease in his net worth recently. Despite this, Orji Uzor Kalu remains a significant figure in Nigerian business and politics, with a substantial impact on the country's economic landscape. Kalu is the chairman of the Daily Sun, a Nigerian daily print newspaper founded and published in Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria. Moving on to the third Igbo billionaire is Arthur Eze, a major player in the Nigeria oil and gas industry. Known as the CEO of Atlas Oranto Petroleum, one of the country's leading privately held oil companies, hailing from Anambra State and raised in Dunukofia local government area, Eze's rise to prominence is truly remarkable. In the 1970s, he attended St. Augustine Secondary School in Nkwere, Imo State. Then, in 1974, he pursued mechanical and chemical engineering at California State University, setting the stage for his future in the energy sector. Arthur Eze is highly respected within the Igbo community and is a member of the royal family, earning him the affectionate title of Prince Arthur Eze and the revered title Ozo Igbondu among the Igbo people. With an estimated net worth of $5.8 billion, he stands as one of Nigeria's wealthiest Igbo individuals. His influence spans various sectors, solidifying his legacy as a significant figure in both business and society. Sitting comfortably at number 4, we have Cletus Ibeto, born on December 6, 1952 in Nnewi, Anambra State. He's one of the wealthiest Igbo individuals in Nigeria. His journey from humble beginnings to substantial prosperity is a testament to his entrepreneurial acumen and determination. Cletus started in the automotive industry, selling motor spare parts. Under his leadership, the Ibeto Group has diversified into banking, real estate, cement production, and vehicle couplings, becoming a leader in automotive replacement parts production in Nigeria. With a net worth of $3.8 billion, Cletus is one of the richest Igbo men globally. Among his notable achievements is the founding of Innoson Motors, a renowned Nigerian car maker where he owns a considerable number of vehicles. Innoson's journey from selling motor parts to establishing a multifaceted business conglomerate exemplifies his vision and resilience, making him a prominent figure in Nigeria's business landscape and among the wealthiest Igbo individuals in the world. At number 5 is Ifeanyi Ubah, a notable figure in Nigeria, celebrated for his roles as a businessman, investor, entrepreneur, and philanthropist. He is the proud owner of the Nigerian football team, Ifeanyi Ubah FC, reflecting his passion for sports. Additionally, he serves as the CEO and owner of Capital Oil and Gas Industries Limited, a major player in Nigeria's oil and gas sector. Ubah's journey to wealth began with humble beginnings, initially selling the supplies and vehicle replacement parts. His entrepreneurial skills and strategic investment have since built a thriving business empire. Capital Oil and Gas Industries Limited stands as a testament to his success in the energy sector, establishing him as a key figure in Nigeria's economic landscape. Beyond business, Ifeanyi Ubah is known for his philanthropic efforts, contributing to various social causes and community development projects. His diverse interests and commitment to excellence have earned him widespread recognition and respect within Nigeria and beyond. Ubah's passion for business led him to expand his ventures beyond Nigeria's borders. He successfully ventured into exporting tires to neighboring countries such as Ghana, Liberia, and Sierra Leone, tapping into new markets and broadening his business operations. As a result of his entrepreneurial pursuits and smart investment, Ifeanyi Ubah's net worth is estimated to be $1.7 billion. His remarkable achievements in business, coupled with his commitment to excellence and innovation, have made him one of Nigeria's wealthiest individuals. At number 6, we have Emmanuel Nnamdi Ubah, widely known as Andy Ubah. He is a notable Nigerian politician who gained prominence as the senator for the Anambra South Senatorial District. Elected in April 2011 under the People's Democratic Party (PDP), Ubah has been active in advocating for his constituents and pushing for regional development. Born on December 14, 1958 in Enugu, Ubah attended Boys High School in Enugu. His ancestral roots are in Uga, Agwata local government area of Anambra State. Throughout his political career, he has been involved in various legislative legislative initiatives aimed at addressing the issues facing his constituency and contributing to national development. With an estimated net worth of $2.1 billion, Ubah's wealth stems from diverse business ventures and investment over the years. His financial success has enhanced his influence in Nigerian politics and society, allowing him to play a significant role in political circles and supports various development initiatives. Emmanuel Ubah is married to Pastor Faith of Faith Miracle Center, Abuja, and they have 4 children together. Next up, we have Tony Elumelu, a renowned Nigerian business magnate who boasts an impressive estimated net worth of $1.4 billion. Before launching his entrepreneur journey, Tony served as the CEO of United Bank for Africa (UBA), where he was instrumental in driving its growth and expansion. He later founded Heirs Holdings, a conglomerate with interest in finance, energy, hospitality, and real estate. Elumelu's impact extends beyond business through his philanthropic efforts, primarily via the Tony Elumelu Foundation. This foundation has empowered thousands of African entrepreneurs with seed funding, mentorship, and networking opportunities, significantly fostering economic development and job creation across the continent. His dedication to entrepreneurship and sustainable development has earned him widespread recognition and solidified his legacy as a leading figure in Africa's business landscape. During his tenure at UBA, Elumelu spearheaded a transformative period for the institution, expanding its operations from a Nigerian bank to a pan-African financial giant with a presence in 19 African countries. As a Harvard Business School graduate, Tony Elumelu is celebrated for his contributions to both non-profit and governmental sectors. His investment firm, Heirs Holdings, meticulously manages a diverse portfolio across various sectors, including financial services, real estate, tourism, agriculture, and healthcare. This firm serves as a vehicle for driving sustainable economic growth and development across Africa. Moving to the 8th spot is Ezekiel Izuogu, born on February 10, 1957, in Ekusigo local government area, Anambra State. He is a prominent Nigerian businessman and philanthropist, known for his remarkable success and significant contributions. Ofor's journey to wealth is marked by his strategic business acumen and commitment to giving back. Starting with crucial support from Pa Abadi, Ofor made his mark by securing funding for his ventures, including his first importation of bitumen through Riveways Lines Nigeria Limited. His business prowess quickly became evident as he successfully supplied substantial quantities of bitumen to major construction companies such as Julius Berger Nigeria Limited and Govansi Nigeria Limited. In 1990, Ofor founded Chrome Group, a leading conglomerate that employs over 800 people. His leadership extends beyond the business realm. He also serves as the chairman of the board of directors for the Enugu Electricity Distribution Company (EEDC), with a net worth estimated at $2.9 billion. Ofor stands among Nigeria's wealthiest Igbo individuals, with a net worth estimated at $2.9 billion. Ofor stands among Nigeria's wealthiest Igbo individuals. His success in business has significantly impacted the country's economic landscape, and his strategic vision has solidified his status as a leading figure in the Igbo community and Nigeria's business elite. Ofor is also a Knight of St. Christopher in the Church of Nigeria and has made substantial contributions through the Sir Emeka Ofor Foundation. This foundation is dedicated to helping people become independent and self-sufficient, reflecting his commitment to philanthropy and social development. 9th on our list, we have Benedict Peters. Benedict Peters is one of Nigeria's leading business figures and a key player in the oil and gas sector. As a founder and CEO of Iteo Group, Peters has significantly influenced the industry landscape. Born in Ebonyi State and raised in Delta State, his early experiences have shaped a successful entrepreneur path. Peters holds a degree in geography and urban planning from the University of Benin, which laid a solid foundation for his career. Under his leadership, Iteo Group has become a major force in Nigeria's oil and gas sector. The company is well known for owning Oil Mining Lease 29 (OML) and Nembe Creek Trunk Line (NCTL) in the Eastern Niger Delta region, with a net worth estimated at $3.3 billion. Peters is a prominent figure among the wealthiest Igbo individuals in Nigeria. His success is a testament to his strategic vision and effective management of Iteo Group's assets. In addition to his professional achievements, Peters is a devoted spouse and father of 4. His remarkable accomplishments in the energy industry continue to cement his status as a leading figure in both business and the Igbo community. At the 10th Sports is the founder and CEO of Air Peace Airlines, Allen Ifechukwu Onyema, who is a distinguished Nigerian figure known for his impactful work in both conflict resolution and the aviation industry. With an estimated net worth of $3 billion, Onyema is celebrated for his efforts to promote peace and unity among Nigeria's diverse ethnic groups. Through his role as a conflict resolution expert, his philanthropic initiatives aimed at fostering understanding and cooperation among communities have earned him widespread admiration. As the founder and CEO of the Air Peace Airlines, Onyema has transformed Nigeria's aviation sector. Under his leadership, Air Peace has become a major player in providing affordable and reliable air travel, serving millions of passengers. His achievements in aviation reflect his commitment to excellence and innovation. In addition to his professional success, Onyema is known for his luxurious lifestyle, which includes a Rolls-Royce, a Mercedes-Benz G-Class, a Land Cruiser Prado, a 2019 Toyota Hilux, and several airplanes. His accomplishments in both business and humanitarian efforts make him a prominent and respected figure in Nigeria. And to the final man on our list, we have Innocent Ifediaso Chukwuma. Born on October 1st, 1961 in Nnewi, Anambra State, is a notable Nigerian entrepreneur and businessman. As the youngest of 6 siblings, Chukwuma was raised by his homemaker mother, Martina Chukwuma, and his father, Chukwuma Mojeku, who was employed by the government. Chukwuma's entrepreneurial journey began modestly with trading spare parts for cruisers. His perseverance and business acumen led him to found Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Company, Africa's first indigenous automaker. As the chairman of the Innoson Group of companies, he oversees a diverse range of business interests. Under Chukwuma's leadership, Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing has revolutionized the Nigerian automotive industry, positioning itself as a leading player on the continent. His commitment to innovation and quality has earned him both local and international recognition, contributing significantly to Nigeria's economic development. Innocent Chukwuma's estimated net worth is around $1 billion, a testament to his success as a trailblazer in Nigerian business and industry. As we reflect on the remarkable achievements and contributions of these Igbo billionaires, one can't help but wonder what drives their relentless pursuit for success. How do their personal stories and struggles shape the industries they revolutionize? Would love to hear from you. Which of these influential Igbo billionaires inspires you the most? What aspects of their journeys do you find most intriguing or relatable? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more compelling content about these Igbo billionaires in Nigeria. See you in our next video.